Oh, Grand Rising, Grand Rising. It is currently 8 a.m. in the morning. I've been up since 5. I had plans for today to go into the city to see another Airbnb space. But let me tell you about tropical locations. When it rains, it can rain all day. And not just, the heavy showers that you may be used to in certain areas. I have lived in the Northeast, so around this time, April showers, you tend to get a good amount of rain. But the rain in Puerto Viejo, in Costa Rica, is a whole another type of rain. It's raining right now, and I hope that you all can hear me as the rain continues to pick up. But my plans will need to take a back seat. I will be doing some indoor things. I do have a meeting today, so there's that. And I do have some work to catch up on. So I bring this all up to talk about adapting and going with the flow. Today I had very specific plans, and instead of wallowing and focusing on how I won't be doing what I wanted to do, I am now adapting and figuring out other options for me for today. If we look at that in a general sense of life, we may not be in the path or on the path that we anticipated to be in, but that's okay, right? The universe, source, God, whatever, whomever you believe in, has plans for us. And so focusing in on how to get towards our destinations, the how can change at any moment. At any moment in time, what you thought would be your how, your routes in whichever way that you were going, can completely change in a blink of an eye. I was at one of my favorite breakfast spots here called Port Bell, and we were sitting outside, and there was, as my friend calls her, an octogenarian sitting across from us, and she was talking about how there are no negative or positive experiences, they're all lessons. And so she mentioned about a situation where she was riding a bike. I believe it was a 3-wheel bike or something like that. No, a good sized bike. And she turned the corner and something caused her to fall and hurt herself, either her ankle, hurt her leg badly. But when she got on that bike, whatever she was planning on doing, the sun was shining, great day, had her plans laid out. But just in the second of turning a corner, her entire day and months later was completely affected and changed. Why did this happen? Who knows? That experience happened for a reason, to teach her something, maybe to slow down, maybe wherever she was going to heal, she needed to spend more time there. Maybe that incident stopped her from having something even worse happen to her. You don't know. The point of her story was to share how everything that we do in life, there are reasons and lessons that we have been put into that situation to learn. Where we were put in that situation to learn something, to experience something, to grow. And if we are able to slow down, take a moment, and acknowledge, feel, be present, then we'll be able to see that lesson more clearly. And in the times that we're in, even before the times that we're in, the society that we live in, we are taught or programmed to continue moving. If it's a negative situation, get caught up into that emotion and then just keep moving. If it's a positive situation, be caught up into that emotion and then keep moving. But if we take the time to be present and reflect on each and every experience, maybe we can learn certain lessons and not have those negative experiences repeat themselves. Because if the universe wants you to learn something or to know something or to experience something, it will continue to happen, not in the exact same way, but it will continue to happen until you eventually see it within yourself. Life can go left or right? How can you take the time out to learn and grow from whatever that thing, that negative, that positive, that neutral, whatever that thing is that occurred? How can you take the time to slow down, process it, and see the lessons that are being put forth for you? This experience has definitely caused me to slow down. And if you know me personally, you know that I am always on the go. The rain has changed my plans for today. And I'm going to take a moment and let that all sink in on what it was that I was going to do today, what I can shift to do today, and maybe I was supposed to do this video. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done this video if it wasn't raining. So, you never know. That is it. That's all I have for you all today. Just checking in from the beautiful lands of Costa Rica. I hope this video has inspired you in some type of way. And I hope to see you all on the next one. Peace.
15 minutes later.
What did I tell you all about this rain? I don't know if you can hear me, but I was just about to finally get breakfast because it had slowed down, put on some clothes, and it got worse once again. Now these are heavy, heavy, heavy droplets of rain. I guess I won't be eating anytime soon.